Hello, welcome to Zoho Insights by Aspen94. I'm Tracy Sorrentino. Today I'll demonstrate the use of two new date filtering operators, previous and next. In the past, Zoho included three filters called last week, last month, and last year. They have been replaced with the new terms previous week, previous month, and previous year. The switch from last to previous offers a clear understanding that previous defines the period immediately before the current period. The filters for this week, month, and year, and next week, month, and year remain the same. These new operators will add more precise and dynamic filtering to our date fields. So let's see how it works. Starting with module filters, let's look at lead records that were created in the previous 3 months. Using the created time field, the previous operator filters records in the past based on today's date. Because today is in August, I see results for May, June, and July. With the new previous operator, the current month is always excluded. If I enable this same filter next month in September, the data will show records from June, July, and August. May will be removed. In the next example, I want to review deals that are closing in the next 6 months. The next operator filters records in the future that match selected criteria based on today's date. Similarly, the current month is not included. If I were to use previous or next year's operators, the current year's data would still not be included. Now let's view how to use these dynamic filters within custom views. For my cooking classes module, I want to see cooking classes scheduled over the next 6 months by instructor and cost. Similar to filters, depending on when I access the custom view, I will see a different set of results. These operators can be used in workflow rules by adding a condition for the rule to match on, and in reports by adding a date-based advanced filter. By introducing the previous and next criteria, users now have more flexibility in defining time-based criteria. These operators provide more accurate results, filters that automatically update, smarter workflows, better reporting, and a simplified user experience. If you have questions about the new previous and next operators, please contact us to schedule a free consultation with a Zoho expert. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more insights by Aspen94. Thank you for watching.